Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another episode of the .com Lifestyle Vlog. Right now I am having lunch here at Captial Noodle Bar. This is one of my go-to places. This is a very, very nice restaurant, so I figure while I'm here having lunch, I'll do a little video and show you some of the food that they offer at this location. This is a pretty famous restaurant here in Irvine, California. They get quite a few. Captial Noodle Bar, Costa Mesa, Brea, Irvine, and another one in Irvine. It's Hong Kong style, Cantonese style. They got dim sum, small plates, nice pictures, noodle bars. You know, it's noodle dishes, stir-fried noodles, and they're very, very good Hainan chicken as well. I rather like that. Yeah, but it's a pretty good menu. I have two go-to dishes whenever I dine here. The first one is the Canton style roasted duck with noodle. Really nice dish, reminds me a lot of Hong Kong. And the second one is the Hainan chicken. Usually either one or the other one, don't have a favorite, depends on what I feel like that day. But I think today we're going to try a whole variety of different dishes just to experience more of what they have offered on here. Captial Seafood is a very, very loud restaurant. The noise level here is quite high, so I'm recording the audio using the new Sony SX1000. Sally is playing Fruit Ninja. She's actually quite good at the game. The key to winning Fruit Ninja is to get the combination. How'd you do, Sally? Not bad, I guess. I decided to go with milk tea instead of a Diet Coke or whatever. Pretty good, pretty good. You want to try, Sally? Okay, you can try it. Sally can try the milk tea. Too sweet for you or what, Sally? Don't like it? Nice and sweet, I like it. So this is the roasted duck noodle. It's kind of, think of it as a Cantonese style pho. It comes with some sprouts as well to put on there. So the way to set this up is to squeeze some lemon on there. Oh yeah, that's right. Fix it up a notch, and then add the little sprouts. Mix it up and enjoy. Roasted duck. That is so good. Wow. Yeah. Speechless, speechless. Alright, so this is another dish. This is, I think, is it a vermicelli dish, Sally, or some kind of noodle dish? Yeah, some kind of noodle dish with shrimp and broccoli and vegetable and some kind of a hoisin style sauce. It's quite good. And this is the famous Hainan chicken. Yeah, comes with 3 different sauces. Really, really nice. Hainan chicken added with this garlicky type topping. Wow. So much flavor, so tender. Love it. I see more dishes showed up. This is Sally's dish. It's a stir-fried noodles with beef. And down there we got a few other dishes as well. That there is a Chinese donut. If you want to see a close-up, there it is. That's a Chinese donut. Very good. Sally loves this thing. It's basically a deep-fried, what is it, a deep-fried piece of bread, you think? It's really soft and tender on the inside with a nice crunch on the outside. And it's actually reasonably priced too. I believe it's $5 for like 2 donuts. While Captial Seafood is definitely a Cantonese style restaurant, the chef has definitely added his own sort of California West Coast flavor to the dishes. It is, I definitely taste the Cantonese and Hong Kong style flavors in it, but I'm also tasting the other stuff definitely because I would not say it's 100% authentic Cantonese food. It's close, but it has a little something extra, and it's kind of cool because instead of trying to be like Hong Kong, the chef here has definitely added his own little cultural twist to it. So very, very cool. All right, lunch came to $77.31, and check it out. They even calculated a tip for me from 15 at 20%, told me the amount to add, and then also gave me the total at the end so I don't have to work it out myself. More restaurants should do this. That's really, really cool. There is the sign of a good lunch. Almost everything has been eaten. that was really good, actually. It was a really good restaurant. So if you're ever in the Irvine or Orange County area, do check out Captial Noodle Bar, one of my go-to restaurants here in Orange County.